FitGirl Repacks, the honest truth nobody is telling you. So today, I will reveal it to you. Okay, let's talk about FitGirl Repacks. Everyone whispers about it, but nobody's being straight with you about what's actually happening when you use these. First truth? Yes, the file sizes are smaller. That's the whole point. Games get compressed down so your download is faster. Sounds great, right? Here's what they don't truly mention to you, good guys. The installation process absolutely destroys your CPU. We're talking hours of your computer running at maximum capacity, overheating, and fans screaming. I've seen installs take 6 to 8 hours for a single game. Your machine is getting cooked. Second truth, the legal risk is real. This isn't a gray area. It's straight up piracy. Your ISP can see what you're downloading. Copyright holders send legal notices. People think they're invisible. You're not. I've personally known people who got letters from their internet provider threatening to cut service. Third truth nobody talks about? Malware risk. Even if the official FitGirl site is clean, there are dozens of fake sites pretending to be FitGirl. People download from the wrong source, and boom. Ransomware, keyloggers, crypto miners running in the background, destroying your PC. Look, I get it. Games are expensive, but you're trading short-term savings for long-term risks. Legal trouble, destroyed hardware, infected systems. If money's tight, wait for sales. Steam, Epic, GOG, they run massive discounts constantly. Patient gamers get the same games for like $5. Legally, safely, without the headaches. That's the truth they're not telling you. Stay safe out there.